Welcome to our step-by-step guide to show you how to naturally clean and descale your InstaCuppa Electric Kettle with dispenser, keeping it fresh and free from buildup. If you want to maintain your kettle as good as new, all you need is some lemon and water for descaling. Squeeze lemon juice into the kettle. Fill the kettle with water and bring it to a boil. The natural acidity of lemon helps break down the scale and mineral deposits. After boiling it, let it cool down. Once cooled, empty the kettle and give it a good rinse. Your kettle is now sparkling clean, just like new. If your kettle needs just a basic clean from inside, here's a simple solution. Add soap and warm water. Gently scrub the interior with a brush. Rinse with water and wipe the stainless steel interior dry post-rinse. Your kettle's interior is now sparkling clean, ready for the new brew. For the exterior, just use a damp cloth to clean. That's all. That's all it takes to enjoy your favorite beverages hassle-free with a clean and fresh InstaCuppa Electric Kettle.